Hello. In this video, I will show how to find out how many times a text, that is a character or a string of characters, is in another text. First, I'll show you the Elian function. Its result will be the number of characters in the text. I click to the cell where I want the result. I insert a function from the text category. The function is called Elian. Here I see that it returns the number of characters in a text string. The argument is the text whose length, or number of characters, I want to calculate. I confirm OK, and I can copy it for the other lines. Next, I need to delete the search character or string of characters from the text. I do this with the text function substitute. I go to the cell where I want the result. I insert a function from the text category. The function is called substitute. It will replace the text with new text in the text string. The text argument is the text where I want to replace. The old text is the character or string of characters whose number of occurrences I want to find out. And I will put the new text in double quotation marks, which means nothing or an empty string. Confirm OK. I can see that the characters or strings I want to count have disappeared from the text. Again, using the Elian text function, we calculate the number of characters in this modified text. I'll copy. And the calculation is very simple, the original length of the text minus the number of characters without the characters whose number of occurrences I want to count. So, in case I am case sensitive, the example is complete. Here I can notice that if I search for the number of occurrences of a character that is not in the text, the result is correct. There is no error message that needs to be handled by further calculations. In case I don't need case sensitive, I still have to do the calculation. To understand, when I type a capital A in the cell, I can see nicely that the substitute function is case sensitive. I can use two functions from the text category to do this, the lower function. I'll show you that one now, but it's also possible with the other function, the upper function. The lower function will change all the letters in the text to lowercase, and the upper function will change all the letters to uppercase. As I was saying, I'm going to use the lower function. To help you understand how this works, I'll change all the letters of the string to lowercase. I insert a function from the text category, function lower. An argument is a text that I want to be in lowercase only. Now I'll do all the functions in one cell. Number of characters. Original text. Minus. Number of characters. A string with no characters, the number of which I want to find out, and which has only lowercase letters. Great, it's functional. I can compare. If I distinguish the case of the characters, there are 2 letters A. If I'm not case sensitive, there are 3 letters A. Thanks for watching.